Good morning, everyone. Now we are already reached on third question on second part. Second part I will explain, and third part do yourself. Next is, so what is express the following in P by Q form. What is 0.47 bar? Bar is only on 7. It means this number is 0.477777. Only 7 is repeating. If bar on only this digit of any digit, it means this digit is repeating. No 4 and 7, 4 and 7, 7. Understand? So like this one. So we want to write in P by Q form. Always. What first step is, let it is equal to x. X equal to 0.47 bar. Next step. What I told you. How many digits are repeating here? 1, 7, 7, 7. If one digit is repeating, multiply both sides by 10. Multiply both sides by 10. 10x into 10 multiply 0.7 bar. So 10x equal, and what I told you, whenever we multiply any number like this one, 2.53 multiply by 10, any number if multiply by 10, so decimally shift on right hand side. How many zeros? Like this one, 253 divided by 100 into 10, 0 cut by 0. What is? You can check. Dekho, decimal is here, and where is the shift? Here. So one digit. So it is digit. It is shift here. It is shifted. It means 4 after decimal, 4.7 bar. Do you understand? Next step, what I told you, we will write this number 4.7 bar in sum of two numbers, whose in which first number is this one. Okay, so it means 4.7 bar in sum of two number. One number is this one, 0.47 by, and plus second number, suppose it is y, like this one. If 7, write 7 in sum of two number in which first number is 3. What is second number? Suppose let it is y. So find y, it is another side, y. So it is, what is number? 4. Do you understand? Same as it is. So sum of two numbers. Write 4.7 in sum of two number in which first number is this one. So 0.47 bar plus y. So find y value. So it means y equal to 4. It is another side, negative 4.7 bar minus 4.47 bar. You can always, whenever we subtract or add decimal in same line. So 0 point. Same line. 4.7 bar. So what is meaning 7 bar? 7. So 7 minus 7, 0. 3.4. So what is? It is 4.3. What is? 4.3. What is value of y? 4.3. So write this number in sum of two number. First is this one, 0.47 bar plus 4.3. 4.3 या 30 you can write. So next, after this one you can check it. 10x equal to 4.7 bar. It is equal to x. That's why always I am saying you write in sum of two numbers. First number is this one, because we will make this one x. So 0. So x plus it is 4.3. X another side minus 10x minus x 4.3. 10x minus 1x 9x 4.3. X equal to 4.3 divided by 9. So x equal to, remove decimal, 43, that 10. Oh, what is 90? So what is value of x? 43 divided by 90. So x is this one. So this one equal to, in P by Q form, you can check it, P by Q form. Do you understand? And you can verify also this question. Okay. I hope everyone is understand this. And third part, do yourself. Do you understand? In third part, what is given? 0.001. I think this one is given. Yes. How many digit is repeating? 3 digit. How many digit? 3 digit is repeating here. What is? 0.01, 001, 001, 001. Never ending it is dot dot dot. And do yourself. First we will check how many digit is repeating and multiply both side by, and then after multiplying the decimal is shift on right hand side. Next, express fourth question. Very easy question. You can do yourself also. Fourth question. Express 0.9999999 in P by Q form. In P by Q form, how will you represent? P by Q form. Let equal to X. So what you can write? X equal to 0.999999 and X equal to what you can write? 0. How many digit is repeating? 99999 bar. How many digit is repeating? 1. Multiply both side by 10. 10x into 10, 0.9 bar. 10x multiply by 10, decimal is shift 1 digit, so 9.9, because it is meaning 0.9999 and it is shift here. Okay, that means 0.9 bar. After this one, write this number in sum of two number. First number is this number 0.9 bar plus 9. So you can solve it, and answer is come x equal to, I think it is come 1. You can check it. 10, it is 10x equal to x plus 9. X another side minus 9x equal to 9. So x equal to 9 divided by 9. So x equal to 1. So what is this value? It is also near about 1, 0.999999999. It is equal to 1. So you can do yourself also this one. So some more question, extra question I am giving for homework for you. So you will do yourself. First is 0.235 bar. Bar on only on 3 and 5. Second question 2.34. One more 0.78. So you will write these 3 questions for homework also. Do you know in your fair notebook, everyone? 0.235 bar on 35. 2.34 bar on 34. 0.78 bar on 78. Next is, first we are 7th question. First we are doing 7th question. What is? Write 3 number. We have to write 3 number whose decimal expansion are non-terminating, non-recurring, non-terminating and non-decaying. It is rational or irrational? Irrational number. Non-terminating, non-decaying. It means first word non-terminating. It means 2 point non-terminate 3, 5, but non-recurring also, non-repeating 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, and in last. Don't live like this one, because if you live here it means it is terminating, but we have to non-terminating. Non-terminating means dot 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 and so on. Do you understand? Can you write 3 example? Like any example you can write, whatever you are thinking. 0.9999 0.98 988 988 948 and it is non-repeating. Non-repeating देखो 9 9 8 9 8 9 8 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, but non. Repeating mean every time same, every time. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Never changing. It is repeating, but non, it is non-recurring. And in last we will write dash dash. Write one more example yourself. So we can write like this one. This number what he called? Non-terminating, non-recurring mean irrational number. Do you understand? Okay. Next. Question number 8. Find 3 different irrational number between the. We have to find 3 different irrational number. We have to find 3 different irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. We have to find 3 irrational number. These are what type? Irrational number. But we have write between these number. What type of number? Irrational. And what is irrational? Non-terminating, non-recurring. Recurring mean non-repeating. So first we will write their decimal expansion like this one. So between this one 5.5 divided by 7, right? So it is 0. What we will write? First we will divide. So 7, 5 divided by 7, 0, 7 7 49, 1 0 7 1 3 7 4 28, 2 0 7 2 40, 6 0 7 8 56, 4 7 5 35, 5 7 again it is repeating. It is come 7 1 4 2 8 5. So it is value 7 1 4 2 8 5. So you can find this value when you divide 5 upon 7. This value is come repeating. So find yourself this one and write. Next number is what is between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So 9 by 11. 9 by 11. 11. Decimal. 11 1 11 8 88 2 0. 11 1 11 9 0. 11 8 88 2 0 8 1 8 1 like this one. So what is 0.81 bar. So we have to write 3 irrational number between. It is meaning 0.71. It is 0.81. So between 7 1 and 8 1. How many numbers? 0.72, 0.73, 0.74, 0.74. Many. Otherwise, you can write. So it's mean. So irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 are what are number? So between these two numbers 0.71, 0.81. What is 0.723, 7233, 72333 and dot. Never that. What is irrational? Non-terminating, never ending, non-recurring, non-repeating. You can check it. Other 0.7. You also can start from 7 to all. Also 0.724, 7244, 72444, 72444 dot. One more 0.8 between 71 and 80. 0.80, 801, 8011, 80111, 8041, 8051 dot. That is. So infinite irrational number you can write any between any two rational or irrational numbers. So always whenever you want to write irrational number, first write their decimal expansion, then you will find. I hope everyone is understand these all questions. Next is 9th question. classify the following numbers as a rational or irrational. In ninth question, we have to find following number are rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. First question. Suppose fifth part. 1.10 1001 0001 40 dot dot dot. Tell me, it is rational or irrational? Yes. What is rational? Terminating or? What is rational number? Is rational mean? Rational number terminating or non-terminating repeat but recurring, non-terminating repeating. And irrational, non-terminating, non-recurring. So what type? It is never ending. देखो, non-terminating, never ending. But here also non-terminating, but it is recurring. No, 101 001 0001 4. So it is non-terminating, non-repeating. So what type of this number? It is the right. So we will write. What will write? So it is the right. It is non-terminating, non-recurring. Therefore, it is irrational number. Do you understand? So you will write like this one. First we will write is what type of decimal expansion is terminating, non-terminating, recurring, and otherwise. Next third part 0.3796. What type? Yes. Its decimal is finish or not? Terminating or not? Yes. Terminating and only terminating. So if any decimal expansion is terminated, what type of? It is rational. Next, second part, under square root of 225. What is square root of 225? Is 15, and 15 is a rational or irrational? Yes, 15 we can write 15 by 1. Yes, so it is a rational number. Understand? Next, one more. Square root of 23. Yes, 23 is a prime number, we know, and square root of prime number is always a irrational number. Otherwise, in 8th class, for square root, how will you find square root of? In 8th class, we already learned 23, 2, 4, 4 the 16. How much remains? 0, 7. And in square root, always we write in pairs. Decimal. 4 plus 4, 8. Same number here, same here. 4, 48, and 8. 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64. 64 plus 6. 64. 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64 plus 70. That means it is gone on 7. 7 7 are 49, 8 7 are 56, 50, 60. It is come 91, 0. Now 87 plus last number. What is 99, 4. So it is come to 0.7 dot 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 like this one you can write. So it is non-terminating and non recurring. Therefore, it is a irrational number. Every number, every prime number whose square root, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 13, root 17, root 19, 23, all are these are irrational numbers. Do you understand? Okay. Next, one more question. Which one is left till now? Fifth question. He is asking, what can the maximum number of digit? What can the maximum number of digit be in the repeating block? In which repeating block of digit in decimal expansion? Whose decimal expansion? 1 upon 17. We have to find the decimal expansion of 1 by 17 by long division method, and we have to find the digit decimal expansion is repeating after how many digit. Perform the division to check. So you will check. So check, it is 1 upon 17. Smaller. 0, 1 more smaller. Now 17 5 the 85. 15 0. 17 8 the 136 14. 17 8 the 136 4 0. 17 2 the 34. 15 17 8 the 14. Yes. 6 0. 17 3 the 51. 9 0. 17 5 the 85. 5 0. 17 2 the 34. 16 0. 17 9 the 160 153. 7 0. 17 4 the 68. 2 0. 17 1 the 17. 3 0. 17 1 the 17. How much? 13 0. 17 7 the 119 11. 17 6 the 102 8. 17 4 the 68. How much remain? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now 12 0. 17 7 the again. 17 7 the 1 1 9. How much remain? 1 again 1. Now how much remain? 1 remain. And now again 1 0. It is smaller than 17. Now 0. Therefore it is also 0. Now again 1 0. 17 5 the 85. Again same whole process is remain. It means after how many digit it is repeating? So it is repeating after 17 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 7 16 digit. So you can write. So this one. So you will divide like this one, and after this one you will count digit. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So you write 1 by 7. So you write a decimal expansion. The decimal expansion of 1 by 17 is repeating after 16 digit. After how many digit? 16 digit. Do you understand? Okay. Sixth question. It is your homework. Do yourself. So 1.3 exercise or is finished, and do all example also in your fair notebook. So I am giving one more extra. It is for your homework. What is? Write 5 irrational number irrational number between 2 by 3 and 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. I hope everyone is understand. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me on my own WhatsApp number personally. Don't send group message in group. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.